Welcome back to a new Anno 1800 episode. And today we are actually not going to talk about the next DLC. I know we are all waiting for news about this one. As soon as we have any news, I'll definitely post it on the channel. If you're interested about that topic, don't hesitate to check in the video description below after this video, where I explain why the next DLC, DLC 12, is going to very likely be launched in August. But now today we are going to talk actually about a mod. But not just any mod. We're not talking here about a mod that's going to add just one building or change something. It's actually a completely revolutionary mod, and this is why I really want to show it to all of you, because with this mod we are finally able to create custom maps. You're going to be able to create exactly the map of your dream and play on it. Let's dive right in. This new mod is another amazing one from Jakob. Thanks a lot, Jakob. You'll never cease to amaze me. And you can find it, of course, as always on Nexus and also on GitHub. I will post in the video description below the link for both of these, and you can download it, of course. In the GitHub, you also get a bit more details on how to do it, but I'm going to do my best to show you how to actually do it. If you want to skip that part and go directly to what this mod is all about, how to play with it, and me showing you that it actually works, don't hesitate to use the chapter functionality below to see that. But first, as I said, let me show you how to actually install it if you want to do it yourself. If you're in Nexus, you go to File, Manual Download. As always, you need an account. This creates an exe file. You click on it. You may get an error like you see over here. It's because you don't have .NET.6 that needs to be installed. This is fine. Just click on Download. Then, depending on your computer, you can choose the right one. For me, it's the desktop app 64, and when this is done, click again on the exe file, and now it should open this one over here. The first thing is to make sure that it has found the game path. It should find it automatically, but if not, you just need to find it. Usually it's in your C program files, right? Ubisoft Gate Launcher. If you have any trouble with that, don't hesitate to also post in the comments below. And then after that, you'll just open a session, right? You can open map that already exists in the old world, new world, in your campaign. Let's take, for example, any of these archipelago over here. And this is, how the map currently looks. This is the one that's already playable. And now we can change it. We can do everything we want with it. We can, just drag them out if you want to take them out. Then we can put new ones. As you can see here, for example, I have 4 of this third-party AI, which in truth we can't do, right? We only have 3 of them, right? There's Madame Kaina, etc. So what will happen is that randomly 3 of them will be put into those 4, and the 4th one will become a small island. So if you want to really ensure that, for example, the 3 AIs are here, then you need to make sure that, there's only 3 on the map. Similarly, if I put several pirates, while each time I load this new map, the pirate may be either here or there or there. So if I only want to make sure the pirate is here, I should only have 1. This is to say where the new players will start, the U-boat. If you don't have an island, you can also move it. You can put, everyone at one corner if you want. I think the only thing that I haven't seen how to do is how to choose which one of those you are. I think it's random, we can't really choose that. Again, you can drag new ones into it. You can also click here to change whatever the selected island should be, like I did over here. And when you're done, or if you need to leave, you can do 2 things. You can save for now the template and then use it again by opening it again, the template. Or if you want to really play it, then you need to click on as playable mode. We do that, we're going to say, test YouTube, and this is for archipelago in this type. Then we do export. This is immediate. Then if you go into your mod folder, you should already have it. It should automatically be there. If it goes somewhere else, just copy it into your mod folder. And you can see this is the one here, test YouTube. What is important though is here we see replace. It will replace one type of islands. And I can only have one of those custom map active at a time. So if this one is archipelago, and here you can see I also have another test map archipelago, it won't be able to know which one to take, right? So it will take actually, I think, the oldest one or maybe a random. So that's not good. So you need to make sure you only have one of these. For example, I can take that one out and now only have this one, right? And in this case, this will work. If you want to have several of those custom maps active, ready to be used, then you just save them as different types, right? You can have basically 5 different ones. Then you will launch your game as always. If you have questions about how to use mods in general, don't hesitate to check in the video description below. I did make a video in the past on how to install mods in general. Yeah, we'll just launch the game. And then you need to create a new game. It doesn't work on all games because it's basically a new seed. So you create a new game in sandbox mode. Then it doesn't matter what you choose here. You can choose any color and logo that you want. But the important thing is that here you need to select custom so that we can choose the map type. We still have the old ones that are ready, but the archipelago one has been replaced by the one we just created. Then you can change anything you want. Here we can make sure that we reveal the map so that we can see that it was actually the map we created. And here it is, this is the map we created. Remember, we have the one pirate at the bottom, we have the 3 AI traders at the top, we have each of the AIs that are at different places on the map. One is here, one is there, one is there. And we have the different islands that we placed. Now with this, you can really create a very strange map. For example, look at this one over here. We have a medium island right at the bottom, which is then blocked directly by pirates. The pirates are right above this island. This is basically the island I should take. And then, we have a lot of large islands, tons of large islands that also are not fully on the map. Like you can see, this one is going outside of the map in terms of the tool map over here. And then we have the 3 traders that are right at the top over here. Or look at this one, another crazy one. We're all starting right in the middle of nowhere. Then on this side, there's 4 sort of identical medium islands and 2 giant ones here, but with the pirates right in the middle. And the pirates are also protecting sort of the 3 traders. So if you're not friends with the pirates, you're gonna be in trouble. So these mods really open up a lot of new possibilities, I think, for the game. You can really create new challenges here. We can, of course, also then, after we've created a certain map, share it with other people. So you can have all your friends, try this a certain challenge. And speaking of a challenge, I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. If you want me to try a new series, a new Anno series based on something like this, maybe creating a super hard map where we only have a small island and everybody else has big islands, those type of things. Do tell me in the comment below if you're interested with that, or a specific type of map that I can create and then play on for you as a series. I'd love to hear your thoughts. If this was useful, don't hesitate to smash the like button. It will help the YouTube algorithm to share this with more Anno fans out there. And also, once again, to thank Jakob, either in the comments below, on Nexus or GitHub, or on the Discord community. I'm sure he will appreciate it. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you next time.